What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use your phone as a microphone on your PC. To get started, we'll be using an app called WO Mic, which works on both iOS and Android. It allows you to wirelessly connect your phone's microphone to your PC and use it as an input device for apps like Zoom, Discord or Skype. First, open up the App Store if you're on an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for WO Mic and download the app. Once installed, open it up. Now, head over to your PC and open up your web browser. Search for WO Mic and click on the official website. Once on the site, click on Download and you will see a few files available. First, download and install the VC Runtime. Its download link is provided on the webpage. This is a Microsoft file required to run WO Mic. Then, download the WO Mic installer for Windows. Once both files are downloaded, start by installing the VC Runtime. If you get a security pop-up, just click Yes to allow the installation. If you already have it installed, you might get a download failed message. In that case, simply ignore it. Now, install WO Mic by running the setup file. Choose English as the language, press Next, and ensure that both WO Mic Client and WO Mic Virtual Device Driver are selected. Then, click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer before proceeding. After rebooting, open up the WO Mic client on your PC. If you can't find it, search for WO Mic in your Start menu and press Enter. Now, open up the WO Mic app on your phone as well. On your PC, click on Connection, Connect. Select Wi-Fi as the connection method. Make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You can verify this in your phone's Wi-Fi settings. On your phone, select Wi-Fi as the transport method. Tap Start at the bottom left, and a Wi-Fi IP address will appear. Back on your PC, enter the exact IP address shown on your phone. Once entered, click Connect. If you get a pop-up asking for permission, allow access, and you will see an error at first. Just try reconnecting. Once successfully connected, both your phone and PC will stay connected. Now, open up your settings on your PC by searching for it in your Start menu. Head to System, click on Sound, and scroll down to Input. From the drop-down menu, select WO Mic device as your microphone. This means that your PC is now using your phone's mic. Speak into your phone's microphone and check if the input bar moves in your PC sound settings. If it does, your phone is now working as a microphone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.